I've been doing some organising this morning, not really here or here, but I took all this out and I thought, well, I want my blushes to go in here. Not a cat's in hell chance. Luckily I only took this out and I swapped, you know where I'm keeping the lipsticks, that's where all the blushes are at the moment. I feel like I need to reorganise the eyeshadow palette drawers because it's not like in combination, it's not like, you know, blushes, highlighters, bronzers in the way I put it on my face. Not that it has to be, but it used to be. And then, so we've just got some face palettes here. Ideally, I'd like them all together. Right, so this is where the change is. So we've got liquids and cream blushes at the back there. There's only one more section, but then it probably wouldn't fit. And then we've got our powders here. Got that new one off. I won't take it out of the baggie. So yeah, that's where the most changes happen. So this is where all my lipsticks used to be. I think neutrals used to be here. No, neutrals used to be here. And then reds used to be here. I'll show you what it looks like. The only issue I'm going to have now is my Pat McGrath Labs palettes. All the Pat McGrath Labs palettes won't fit in. So I've got the Utopian Dreams here. My most special ones, but it doesn't matter because something's going to go on the top. Like my brushes, I'll show you. So this tends to go on the top anyway, so it's out of the way. And then my lipsticks, the ones that I'm kind of trying, that I knew, not really new, but I've, like all these Pat McGrath Labs ones off Amy, I've not really given them as much attention as I would like. Then these Juvia's Place ones from Superdrug last year, I didn't give them as much attention. The P. Louise lip glosses, do you see a theme? And then this one, yeah, this Give Beauty one's drying out. I need to put that in a project. So most of them are Project Pan apart from this Juvia's Place lip gloss. Then we've got our neutrals. What I wanted to do is put liquids in first. I don't have enough of, if I just did liquids, I'd have all this room. And I'm not growing, you know, so I'm not going to do that. So I just put bullets here as well. And also bullets here as well. I mean, who needs all this shite? Sorry for the swearing. Then we've got the reds, and there's a berry toned one there. Orange toned reds, like blue toned reds. I didn't think I had that many blue toned reds. Well, how wrong can I be? I just feel like if they're on show like this, it might not be the most appealing. I feel like if they're on show, I'm more, you know, I'm going to gravitate towards them more. And then we've got some bullet reds here. And then, unfortunately, these blushes, these are my like orange tone blushes, they won't fit with my blushes. So maybe when I get rid of some stuff, I can see me getting rid of most of, not most, but like if I'm going to get rid of anything, it's going to be from this section. So yeah. Then of course there's my high-end lipsticks there, lip crayons, there's some lip oils and stuff somewhere else, eyeliners. It's a whole mess really, but I just wanted to show you what I'd done. Oh, and then the other Pat McGrath Labs palettes are these ones here. I wanted the Bridgerton one on show. And then there's that Valentine's one that came out with at the back, Rose Decadence. And then my Huda Beauty ones here, my Natasha Denona ones here. Well, for the most part it is. And then, sorry if I've given you whiplash, Trail Chrome and the gold palette here. I've literally had to move this unit practically to the edge of the desk just so I can fit them somewhere. And then obviously these haven't changed in the slightest. Some Natasha Denona ones at the back, and the Christmas tree's still up. That stays up all year round.